Welcome. In front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on your laptop. So to record the screen, you can either use a print screen button or a combination of Windows, Shift and R buttons. So press 3 of them together. Again. And you'll see a bar at the top of your screen that looks like this. Right now you can switch between camera icon and camera like snipping and recording. And once you select the recording option, you can select the area of the screen you want to start the recording on. You'll see two additional icons on right here. This one unmutes your microphone when you click on it, and this one mutes the system audio when you click on it. So to start the recording, click start. Once the recording is started, you can pause the video, you can stop and save the video, you can delete the video without saving, and basically right now we're currently recording everything that happens on the screen. So let's stop the video. When we do that, the video we can see the video right here, and we can also find it in our videos folder. Let's go into videos, screen recordings, and here is the screen recording that we just made. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.